This is Jacob Arnold, your host for On the Ocean. In this series, we are discussing the Arctic Ocean, the region of the planet that is warming fastest in response to global climate change. Air temperatures in the Arctic Ocean have increased about 7 degrees Fahrenheit in the last 50 years, which is the fastest temperature increase recorded anywhere on the planet, and is about twice the rate of global temperature increase. One of the most serious consequences of this temperature rise is the melting of Arctic sea ice, which traditionally covers most of the surface of the Arctic each winter. Arctic sea ice thickness has decreased by 15% in the last 50 years, and the duration of winter ice coverage has decreased by more than 2 months. Staggeringly, sea ice extent has dropped 20% over the last 30 years alone. Not only do these changes affect the lives of people living in the north, for example, this year's Iditarod sled race was forced to move its starting line 225 miles farther north due to a lack of snow. But the organisms who make homes on these sea ice floes, such as polar bears, seals, walruses, and seabirds, are finding their natural habitats shrinking and moving. There is, however, another reason that the loss of Arctic sea ice is dangerous. The melting of sea ice causes a climate feedback that encourages more melting. Sea ice has a high albedo, which means that its white surface is very reflective of energy from the sun, while the ocean has a low albedo, absorbing relatively more energy. The reflectivity of sea ice helps keep the Earth cool, but as global warming reduces sea ice coverage, more heat is absorbed by the ocean, causing more ice to melt and even more heat absorption. Some scientists predict that this feedback loop could lead to a complete loss of summer sea ice by the year 2100. This has been On the Ocean, a program made possible by the Department of Oceanography and a production of KAMU-FM on the campus of Texas A&M University in College Station. For more information and links, go to ontheocean.tamu.edu.